What does it all mean? What does it all mean? What's the meaning? What's the meaning of life? What's the meaning? What's the meaning? Bam, bam, bam. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. And for the recapitulation, day 13. Well, there's a little bit I can blame myself, but also the version 3 following kids can code Godot 101 version for version 3 Godot for the day 13, which is here using areas in 3D. I was supposed to continue like from the previous same project and implement new things that in result here if I test the scene. So this is the project that I reuse and it has different scenes but none yet the main. So I run the select the scene in the viewport editor and select and just run that with F6. And here it was implemented the use cases for area to pick up these coins. So that would be a collision in 3D space, and also shooting using another concept, the node position 3D, to give the bullets to get the player direction transformed into the and passed to the bullets so they can be instantiated. Because pressing fire, and you'll find in the sections for each part, each cut segment of the whole stream, going through each chapter, what problems were I encountered with in the recipes, what I needed to solve, what was missing over there. Maybe you can check their video or follow completely video, but I like more text-based versions. And one major thing was, well, not major, but that I've taken some time in the beginning of the first part, was a like custom improvised versioning that I done on my side. But it was actually a good exercise to work with the project manager. Because I had, so this is the project I developed from up to day 12, and for the same project I didn't, for the same section and course recipe here using areas, the tutorial goes forward in the same files, and I wanted to keep separate the previous implementation up to a point before it gets modified and expanded on, extended, more features implemented. So I wanted to keep those code bases different. So what I've done, actually I've manually cloned the directory and run the import as a project to have it available here in the project manager. And so actually that's also a good exercise for managing project and different code versions, states of the project, or maybe just to keep it separate. I did that also as an exercise to get a better idea how Godot works, with what does the import mean here, and creating a new project or reusing an old one, and how to reuse it for adding feature, but expanding existing project without modifying the existing project. So how to clone it, but without versioning, without using Git locally. Just using the file system. And thank you for checking out this day 13. Good exercises, new things coming in. While we're ready, signing out. I forgot to say, yeah, your host, loves you most. Even myself and you, even you. So, outro. Stay safe, see you soon. I'll need to do more often Godot days. It was a weekend, so a day slipped in, made a gap. Start forgetting things. I think 1 day gap switching between Godot Blender is efficient in sequence, but with a huge, bigger gap, it kind of, I feel it like, hey, I need to do it more often. But I sometimes regret when there is nothing interactive to do, when there's just a lot of reading. But hey, there are many concepts that go into game development, like project management, versioning. You need to figure it out. There are many things that are not just flashy, fancy things that go into game development that make it very harsh, actually, industry. There are so many chores, tasks, aspects on the outside of the fancy graphics. Yeah, that's one thing needed taken in consideration when going into that path, down that road. Well, like I say, stay safe, see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. And loud outro banging right away.